Hi there, it's Oliver here at Databowl, and today I want to show you the Leads webhook feature, as we've had some requests recently about how can we hook up to another system when a lead gets accepted or rejected to give some kind of constant feedback. So what we recommend doing is using the lead webhooks. What you can do is create a webhook, in this example here, to the URL that you want to send the updates to. In this case, we've used some kind of middleware to do this to. You can include what you want in the payload. So in this example, I'm sending lead message, costs, revenue, and the data, and you can trigger at what point you want the update to happen. In this case, I've done it on when a lead gets accepted, and I can specify which campaigns and which supplier, so I can have a different webhook for different campaigns if I wanted to. And every time a lead changes status, so in this case, if I change this from accepted to rejected, and then if I wanted to change it back to accepted again, what will happen is it'll send an update to a system here, and we'll get that information here, and we'll get all the information regarding the lead ID, campaign, any cost and revenue, and the data that's attached to it if you choose data as an option. And then what you can do here is you can then take that information and use that as part of your next request. So in this case, I took the information here and I've mapped it to the request bin example. So you can see here I've then taken it, restructured it, and forwarded it out to another system there. So it can be very powerful and useful to connect Databowl to other systems using webhooks. Again, you just need a system to receive the data, and then you can do that and use it in whatever system or place you want to store and use the information further.